Lucas! Today we're going to visit a magical realm of stories. We're not allowed to bring dogs inside.
Alright, let's leave them here, Monkey.
We'll be back soon, little pup.
Be a good boy, little pup.
Goodbye. See you soon. Oh, look who's welcoming us. Reindeer, good day, dear ones. Hello, Snow White and the 7 dwarfs.
Hello, Lucas and Monkey. Welcome to our house.
Wow, they have such a wonderful house. Let's take a closer look at it. Look, Lucas, it's Snow White in miniature.
Very beautiful. Here we have the dwarfs too. Let's see if they have something to drink here.
I think it's empty. Take a seat. Lucas, you're the same height as the dwarfs. Let's go see the next little house.
Who could live in this wonderful house? I think I see someone at the entrance.
Yes, Lucas, it's Santa Claus and Rudolph. Let's go greet them.
Hello, Santa Claus.
Hello, Monkey and Lucas. Be good until Christmas. I'll be keeping an eye on you.
Of course, Santa Claus, we promise. Now we're going to visit your house.
Okay, you're welcome.
Look at Santa. He has such a long list. Children wish for cars, castles, dolls, drums from Santa Claus, and the list goes on.
Look, there's the Christmas tree.
Yes, it's very beautiful. I miss Christmas. Let's go visit another magical little house.
Okay, Monkey.
Wow, look, it's Olaf and his friends. Let's go say hello to them.
Hello, Lucas and Monkey. Welcome.
Thank you. It's so beautiful here with you.
I'm glad you enjoy it here.
Look, a wonderful castle. Let's see who's waiting for us inside. Good day, Cinderella. You're so beautiful.
Thank you. Welcome to the princess's castle.
Thank you. Let's go greet the other princess too. Hey, princess.
Hello, Lucas and Monkey. You can go visit the other floors of our castle too.
Thank you, princesses. We're going right now to explore it. Wow, who's here? Elsa. Hello, Elsa. You're so beautiful.
Thank you, Lucas and Monkey.
Look, a real carriage for princesses.
Wow, gorgeous.
A large table where all the princesses can eat together. And a balcony. Let's see the view from there. It's so beautiful here. In nature, wonderful.
Hello, Lucas and Monkey.
Hello, princess.
kitchen. Let's go to the balcony. I saw something interesting.
Okay, let's go! Wow, some very cute towers! Hello, Lucas!
Hey, Monkey, let's see the rest of the castle too.
Let's go! Look, a smaller table probably for the princess's children. I wonder what's on the top floor.
The princess's bedrooms. They're so beautiful.
Yes, you're right! A beautiful princess bedroom with everything a true princess needs. Let's explore the rest of the magical realm. Wow, a beautiful lake. I wonder what we have here.
I'm curious too, Monkey. Let's find out now.
Oh no, something dreadful. This is where naughty people were punished.
I want to see how it works.
Be careful, Lucas. Interesting. I say we go see what's in the last house.
Let's go.
Which is, oh, so it's something scary. Hello, witch.
Hello, Lucas and Monkey.
Watch your step. There's something down there. Skeletons. Here, everything is terrifying.
I'm scared, Monkey.
Don't worry, I'm here. You won't experience anything bad. Let's leave this house. Let's go home, Lucas.
It was a wonderful experience.
Yes, you're right, Lucas. Kids, don't forget to subscribe to Monkey and Lucas Adventure.